Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to use Google Authenticator for added security on Facebook in 2025. With cyber threats evolving faster than ever, two-factor authentication, 2FA, is your best friend for keeping your account safe. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on these helpful tips. First things first, why use Google Authenticator? It's a free app that generates time-based codes for logging into your accounts, making it way harder for hackers to break in. Let's dive into the steps. Start by downloading the Google Authenticator app from your device's App Store. It's available for both Android and iOS. Once installed, open the app and get ready to link it to your Facebook account. Next, log into Facebook on your computer or mobile browser. Head to Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Scroll down to Security and Login, and find the two-factor authentication option. Turn it on, and Facebook will prompt you to set it up. You'll see a QR code on screen. Open your Google Authenticator app, tap the plus icon to add a new account, and scan that QR code with your phone's camera. Easy peasy. After scanning, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code into the Facebook verification box to confirm. Now, every time you log in from a new device, Facebook will ask for a code from your app. Just open Google Authenticator, find your Facebook entry, and type in the current code. It changes every 30 seconds for extra security. A few quick tips. Always keep your phone secure since the app holds your 2FA keys. If you lose your device, you can recover access through Facebook's backup codes, so make sure to save those. In 2025, with advanced features like biometric integration, this setup is even smoother. There you have it. You're now a pro at using Google Authenticator for Facebook. Implementing this will give you peace of mind and protect your personal data. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. What's your go-to security tip? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.